lecture gi matang da sembiro haibado ngasi gi blog sta mayam khangminara. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Mayam nungai bena khali. Ngasi di mayam na commenta lecture gi matang da sembiro haibado ngasi gi blog sta mayam khangminara si ko. Aduna Manipur government gi school jingda lecturer haiba post in a higher secondary school haibadi class 11 and 12 ta tak to neba ko. Sigi post da ai oza oige lecturer oige hairagadi magi kari essential qualification change haibado mayam yengasi ko. Magi di only master degree haibadi postgraduate degree with 50% mark in the concerned subject wakadaba ko. Master the 50% saladi yari dubu concerned subject hai is the kari subject no haibado mayam yengsi ko. Ahanbada anthropology, Bengali, botany, chemistry, commerce, economics, education, engineering drawing, English, geography, geology, Hindi, history, home science, Manipuri, mathematics, philosophy, sociology, statistics and zoology. To high basigi subject se sida khatang ni ko huju phogi oina lecturer post la rise. Aduga high basigi lecturer post sida Bachelor of Education haibadi B.Ed chizimadi darkata dari ko. Adubu who knows matamada tarapaju yai karigino da hojik lecturer post la riva oza gaize B.Ed luyaktava oza gaize deputation da haibadi thabak tawtongna B.Ed tongnava kana thari ba ko tawju to holiba. Aduna aigi sigi video je sem matungda anoba RR haibadi recommend rules of lecturer post da essential qualification da Bachelor of Education jiju ama oirapaju yana leiriba. Aduga plus amana hairiba subject sigi mathaktane ama chithaure lecturer in physical education giju leire ko. Sida leire magi qualification aduna yengbiro magi ju B.Ed changde ko. Aduna atopa subject haibadi allied subject mayam lidana microbiology, biochemistry, biotechnology, or science hairiba subject jingjinadi sigi lecturer hairiba posida changbadi yagadaba mandre ko. Aduna aina ai haijo hairagadi sigi lecturer post se koropakanda thabak se tharaga oza oige khanbiragadi master lore matungda ko sigi subject jingjida master lore matungda B.Ed loshalaga laibana khwaidagi safe side oigani ko. Aduna karina fagadagi habado mayam yengbiro. Aduna ingasi blogs de matang introduction jaraga I blogs par mathogadi like tobiramo share tobiyo anu views oibirgan subscribe tobiramo ko. Mukhi sana phajale biyo. So please be safe and be healthy. Bye bye. Good night. Chew.